warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. So, how are you today? Good, okay. How is your weekend? Is it good? Okay, and what are you doing in your weekend? Always you went fishing with your dad. Okay, good one. And before we start our lesson today, let's do some exercise. So nanti kalau saya bilang good morning student, nanti kalian bilang good morning teacher, dan terus kalau saya bilang how are you, nanti kalian jawab I'm good gitu. Gitu aja. Tapi berdiri, stand up. Okay. Good morning student. How are you? Okay, good. Give them applause. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Okay, now we will learn about water cycle. Water cycle. Do you know what is water cycle? Do you know? Water cycle itu adalah siklus air. Ingat ya? Water cycle. Silahkan ditulis di bukunya masing-masing. Jadi water cycle itu artinya siklus air. Oke? Siklus air apa bahasa Indonesia? Water cycle. Apa artinya water cycle? Siklus air. Oke, siap. Guys, have you wondered where rain come from? Have you wondered where is rain come from? Jadi pernahkah kalian itu bertanya-tanya hujan itu dari mana sih datangnya? Iya, dari awal, benar, dari awal. Tapi di situ ada cycle-nya, ada siklusnya di situ. Tadi namanya water cycle. Jadi ada siklusnya, ada tahap-tahapnya dari air kemudian menjadi hujan. Oke. So, what happens? What happens after it rains? What happens? Apa yang terjadi after it rains? Setelah hujan. Jadi apa yang terjadi setelah hujan? Oke. Iya benar, airnya menggenang ya, air menggenang. Oh iya, yang di belakang. Iya benar, terserap ke matahari ya, karena apa, menguap ya. Oke. And saya kata I will write down in here 4 words, our keywords in this class today. Okay, I will write down here evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collation. Okay, so those are our keywords today. Ditulis ya, write down on your book or your notebook. Please read down. Kalau kan bilang ya. Oke, udah? Oke, siap. So, this is the water cycle. Oke, jadi ini adalah siklus air bertahap ya, dari air itu menguap hingga menjadi hujan. Jadi yang pertama ada evaporation. Tahu evaporation itu apa? Evaporation itu penguapan. Oke. Udah ditulis ya. Evaporation itu penguapan. Ditulis ya dengan artinya nanti you have to memorize it. Okay. Evaporation. Terus yang kedua ada condensation. Siapa tahu artinya condensation? Condensation itu pengembungan. Oke, tulis lagi. Kemudian tahap keempat itu adalah precipitation. Ada yang tahu? Oh, tahu artinya apa? Hujan ya, hujan. Dari mana tahu? Oh, pernah lihat video-video ini, sains. Good job. Terus yang terakhir adalah collection. Ada yang tahu collection? Iya sih, dia kayak koleksi gitu, tapi arti secara ini ya, secara harfiahnya mau koleksi, tapi ada arti lain nggak? Ya, pokoknya itu pengumpulannya sama ya kayak koleksi gitu, cuma kan di sini artinya bukan itu. Jadi sesuai dengan konteksnya. Oke, jadi 4 ini adalah tahapan dari water cycle atau siklus air. Okay, now I will explain one by one. You guys just listen, just sit, listen, okay, and try to understand my explanation. So the first step is evaporation. Atau apa evaporation tadi? Step pertama, ya penguapan. Jadi the sun heats water in rivers, in lake and ocean, and the water change into water vapor. Jadi air berubah menjadi apa itu water vapor? Iya, uap air. Dari mana tuh? Dari kamus. Oke, itu aja. And then goes up into the air. Oke, jadi berubah menjadi apa? Air menjadi udara. Dia mau air itu udara. Kalau dalam Indonesia, air is water, tapi in English air is udara. Oke, good. Oke, udah ditulis ya. Untuk maybe there are some words that you guys found it strange, and you can write them. Okay, that's the first step of water cycle is evaporation atau penguapan ya. I'll read this steps one more time. So pay attention guys. First, evaporation atau penguapan. So the sun heats water in rivers, in lake, in ocean, and the water change into water vapor, uap air, and goes up into the air. Oke, itu step pertama dalam siklus air atau water cycle. And the second step is condensation. Ditulis tadi condensation. Apa artinya? Katanya ditulis. Apa artinya tadi? Ya, penggunaan. Condensation ini condensation yang kedua, tahap kedua, pengembunan. Pengembunan. udah ya, udah tulis. Oke, second step is condensation. The water vapor become cool and forms clouds. Second, condensation, pengembunan. Jadi itu the second step of water cycle. And the water vapor, airnya menguap menjadi dingin, become cool and forms cloud, dan membentuk awan, ya. Cloud itu awan. Jadi uap air itu mendingin dan membentuk awan. Nah, itu step kedua. The first step is evaporation, penguapan. So air dari kali, ya kan, dari from river, from lake, kali, sungai, and ocean. What is ocean? Ya, lautan. So the water is heats up by sun and turn into water vapor. Good. And yang kedua itu enter pengembunan, condensation tadi, and it's you make it cloud. And step yang ketiga, the third step is precipitation. Precipitation atau apa tadi? Hujan. Okay, so precipitation also, it's kind of difficult to pronounce this word, right? So water fall from the cloud as rain. Jadi waterfall, ya kan, airnya turun atau jatuh dari awan, from the clouds, dari awan, and as the rain, sebagai hujan. Jadi air jatuh dari awan sebagai hujan tadi. Karena tadi uap air terbang, ya, terus membentuk awan. Nah, di situ ya turun lagi. And then the final step of water cycle is collection. Apa tadi collection? Ya, pengumpulan. So rainwater return to rivers, lake, and ocean. Then the cycle starts again. Rainwater, air hujan, return, kembali. So the rainwater returns to river, lakes, and ocean. Jadi air hujannya itu kembali lagi ke tadi ya, ke sungai, ke lautan. Then the cycle start again, dan siklusnya itu terus berulang gitu terus. Jadi ada 4 step tadi ya. Apa coba baca step pertama? Evaporation, apa artinya? Ya, and then yang kedua condensation, yang ketiga precipitation, terus yang terakhir collection. Nah, jadi itu adalah urutan dari water cycle gitu. Oke ya. Now I will write down the word that we have in this text. Okay. Okay, no there are several words that you have to know. Okay, so this is a vocabulary. You might find this strange because you never heard this before. Yang pertama, repeat after me. Sun, sun atau matahari. Sun itu matahari ya. And then water vapor. Yang tadi water vapor. What is water vapor? Ya, warna air. Cloud. Say it, cloud. Cloud. Apa itu cloud? Awan. Rain. Rain. What is rain? What is rain? Hujan. River. River. Iya, sungai. Sungai. Ocean. Ocean. I've been told you before what an ocean is. Ocean. Yeah, okay, now one more time, okay? Sun. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. So, now I will mention the English word, and then you guys have to translate it to Indonesian. Okay, understand? Understand? Okay. Sun, matahari. Water vapor, cloud, rain, river, ocean. Okay, good job. Give their applause. And now I will ask you a question. Okay, some question. And whoever that answer my question correctly, I will give them a point. Okay, so in the end of our class, the student that have highest point, I will give them a prize. Okay, so try your best. The first question: what is the first stage of water cycle? What is the first stage of water cycle? Ini. The first stage apa? Yang empat itu loh, yang empat kata. Ya, yang sama. Evaporation. What is evaporation? Iya, apa? 100 point. You have 100 point. You may write down your point. Okay, so we could remember it. And then what forms the clouds? What forms of clouds? Ini tuh apa sih yang membentuk awan? What forms the clouds? Apa sih yang membentuk awan itu? Yang tadi apa? Apa yang membentuk awan? Iya, uap air. Iya benar, uap air. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Water vapor. Good. 100 point. And what is precipitation? Precipitation. Yes, you can read your book. Ya, rain. Ya. And then the last question. So you already have 200 point and Budi just 100 point. Okay. So this is final round. Where does the rainwater go? Okay. So from clouds and the rainwater is fall. And where is the rainwater go? Kemana perginya air hujan? Yes, ocean and rivers. Okay, nice. So the winner is Lisha. You have 100 point. So I will give you prize after the class. Okay. Now this is our maybe last question for today. So the question is, can someone explain the water cycle using these 4 words? Can you guys explain the water cycle using these 4 words? Just explain. Yes, just a mix with Indonesian, but now while you guys answer in Indonesian, I will translate it to English so that you know the English version. Someone want to explain the rain cycle with this word? Yeah, from this word, evaporation. Somebody? Okay, please. First, then, yeah, and finally, collection. Yeah, that's simple, guys. That's simple. Just mention the small word with conjunction. Okay, guys. Excellent for today. You guys done well, and now you know how the water cycle works. But yes, you can explain with this word about the rain cycle. Think you guys already understand with this rain cycle. Rain cycle tadi. Yeah. Okay, now the last thing that that we have to do is I will ask one by one to mention the words that we already okay. Again, from this side, evaporation, with the meaning of translation. Evaporation. What is evaporation? Yeah, meluapkan. And then ocean. What is ocean? Iya, meluapkan. Next, river. Yeah. Next. Next, what word that like new words for you, new vocabulary. Water vapor, yeah, water vapor. What is water vapor? Air, yeah. Next, Clouds. What is clouds? Yeah, awan. Next. Yeah. Motorcycle. Yeah, motorcycle. What is motorcycle? Siklus air. Okay, now the last one. Sun. What is sun? Matahari. Ya. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand what the lesson, and in the next meeting, I hope you guys still remember this word. Okay, so you have to memorize it, and like you have to use this word every day, so that you are not, you guys not forget it. Okay, and now now I will split you guys into 4 group, and one group consists of 2 person. Okay, now yeah. Okay, so I will wait. If you guys don't, tell me. Okay. Are you done? Oh, not yet. Okay. Continue. Carry on. Okay, good. Into 4 groups. Okay, so this is group 1, group 2, group 3, and last group 4. Now, I want you guys to name your group. Understand? Ya, namain grup kalian masing-masing apa? I think it needs time, but no problem. Just discuss with your friend. Yeah. Okay, I will wait. Okay, it's done. Okay, so mention. Okay, your name, your group's name. What is your group's name? What? Font another name. Font another name. Okay, that's educational name. And your group 2. Boa boa. What is that? Boa boa. Okay, now the third group. What is the name of your group? Okay, Tinky Winky. Now the last group. Oh, okay, Black Jacket. Okay, good. That's badass name. Okay, now please prepare your book. Yeah, prepare your books and be ready for today's lesson. Yeah, specifically second lesson today. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, have you guys ever joined school event. Have you guys ever join a school event? Pernah kalau ikut dalam event sekolah atau acara sekolah? Oh, apa? Acara apa? Porseni. Apa tuh porseni? Oh iya, jadi so in porseni there's a lot of game like football, volleyball, and run. Yeah, wow. Okay. And I want to ask you guys, what kind of event do you usually attend at school? Okay, so Budi kan tadi porseni. Kalau yang lainnya, what kind of event do you usually attend at school? What? Nothing. Okay. Cindy, what? Maybe apa itu? Oh, it's like fashion show, okay, fashion show. So I will ask you, what kind of fashion show? You guys just all this with a fashion. Oh, okay. And the fashion man of plastic, yeah, plastic. Okay. And today we will do an activity related to planning a school event using English. So maybe in your event that day is used Indonesian, right? But now I want you guys planning a school event with English. Okay, so each group have to make one event. What event apa? No, that's on you. Kalian terserah buat event apa itu. But using English. Okay, using English. Oke, paham ya? Jadi eventnya ya, so event ini consists of like what kind of event that you want to create, and then what activities that yang di event itu, and then maybe this three part. Okay, so what event and what activities, and the last one is the cost. Okay, the budget of the event. So each group have to make one event. Yeah, school event. Okay. Ya, kalian mempresentasikan nanti, I don't know, just make it. I will give you guys 10 minutes. Oh, it's not enough. So 15 minutes. Apa bahasa Inggris 15? Iya, 15. Okay, now I will wait, and if you guys done with that event, tell me, okay? Okay, so I will wait. from group 1. We plan a music festival at school, and there will be singing competition and band performance. Okay, so just the type of the event, like I've said before, the type of event, what kind of event, right? And the activity of this event, and the last one is the budget. Okay, now you understand? Good. Continue. Keep going. Okay, so I will just sing around here. Oh, this is good event. This is good event. And you, the black jacket. Oh, okay. This is good. Tinky Winky. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, begini. Yeah, yes. Right, right. What? Berenang. Berenang is swim. Swim. Yeah, swim. Okay, keep going, guys. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, begitu. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Hadiah, hadiah itu prize, prize. Ya. Oh ya, bisa jadi gift, bisa jadi gift. Iya, bisa pakai dua-duanya bisa. Iya, iya, boleh, boleh. Oh iya, apa itu? Ken, Ken. Oh, di situ artinya kaleng. Iya, memang kaleng. Kan tergantung konteksnya. Ya nanti dicari tahu lagi ya. Kalau ya begitu. I can eat. Masa saya kalau makan berarti bisa ya. Oke, udah. Oh tinggal blackjack ya. Come on guys, come on. Oke, udah ya. Oke, sip. Good. Good. And the next thing that you guys have to do is presentate the event. So each group just stand there and presentate your plan of event. Okay, we will start with group one. Blackjack, if you want the first group to present, okay? Good. What event? School fun day, okay, keep going. Okay, and we will have games, music, food, bazaar. It will be held at our school yard. And yeah, that's interesting. And how much is the budget? How like the budget? 3 million dollar or rupiah. Okay. Now the other group have to ask Blackjack ask this one question from first group. Ask a question. You don't have question? Okay, now next group. Okay, jadi pertanyaan. So the question of the second group is. That's the only activities in your event, only games, music, food bazaar, or that's only that. Okay, that's just only for you. Very good. Now group one, please present the plan. Sport day. So swimming, run, and all like some exercise. Volleyball, and basketball, okay. Good. And the other group, ask the first group. Only one question. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice. Next group. What event? Oh, e-sport event. Event apa event? Event. Coba cari di dictionary-nya kalian. Okay. Now, explain. So some games, PlayStation game. Okay. Okay, good guys, good. Excellent. You guys pass. And now, I want to know how you guys discuss about this event. So each group have to make a like conversation when you guys playing with this either. Okay. Contoh. So the example, the group one is making a dialogue like okay, CPN and Budi say. So what even that you choose city and city say yeah, like conversation. You need the time, okay, only 5 minutes, okay, only 5 minutes. Tell me if you guys okay. Okay, you guys done? Okay. Now, start the session from one. Oh, like that, okay. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Nice. Give them applause. Now, next group. Oh, well done. Next group. Excellent. Now the last group. Okay. Was kind of long, right? Okay, great. Give them applause. And yeah, maybe we reach the end of the class, and I want to ask you guys, this is the last question for today. What did you learn? What did you learn? What did you learn? Apa yang kamu pelajari tadi? What did you learn? Okay, well, you want to sign your book, and then conversation and planning, yeah. And do you guys enjoy this class? Just if you don't like this, if you enjoy this class, just say yes. And if you don't enjoy this class, just say no. Everyone say yes. I think you guys like because you guys don't sleepy. Oh, this is fun. Okay. Okay, maybe yeah, that's all from today, and I hope you guys enjoy this lesson, and remember to memorize the vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary. You have to know. You have to memorize. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all for today. So I'll close this